Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, we will learn how to create new fee types in openSIS. From the side navigation menu, navigate to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to the Billing and Fees section, and click on Fee Types. This page displays all the fee types that have already been created by the administrator, along with their associated general ledger accounts, sub-accounts, amounts, frequencies, and other related details. Now, let us create a new fee type. Click on Add New Fee Type. This opens a new window where we can enter the details of the fee type we want to create. For this demonstration, let us create a fee type called Fall Semester Tuition Fees. Next, select the appropriate general ledger account. For this example, let us choose Tuition Fees. We can also assign a GL subaccount for better financial categorization. Here, let us select Semester Tuition Fees as the subaccount. Now, enter the amount to be charged for this fee type. Next, specify the frequency of the fee. Since this is a semester-based tuition fee, we can select semi-yearly as the frequency. In the description field, we can briefly specify the purpose of the fee type. For example, this fee can be used for semester-wise academic tuition collection for enrolled students. After entering all the required information, click on Submit. Once submitted successfully, we can see that the new fee type has been created under the selected general ledger account and its respective subaccount, along with all the related fee details. In the same way, administrators can create multiple fee types and organize them under different GL accounts and sub-accounts for better financial management within the institution. This completes the process of creating new fee types in openSIS. Thank you for watching.